Welcome back to Decor Insider. Your front yard is the first thing people notice when they visit your home. Whether you want something bold and colorful or calm and low maintenance, today we're sharing 10 beautiful front yard garden ideas that fit every style and lifestyle. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore these inspiring outdoor ideas. Low-maintenance native plant garden. This garden is for those who want beauty without much work. Features native plants like black-eyed Susans, coneflowers, and ornamental grasses. These plants are tough, love the sun, and don't need much water. Plus, they attract butterflies and birds. Perfect for busy homeowners who still want a colorful yard. Cottage garden style. Dreaming of a garden full of charm and color? Cottage garden is all about that wild, romantic look. Think pink and purple hydrangeas, herbs, and climbing roses over a white picket fence. Cozy, a little messy, and absolutely lovely. Just know, it needs a bit more care, like trimming and watering, but it's worth it. Privacy screen garden. Want some peace and quiet? Try a garden that doubles as a privacy screen. Use tall shrubs like evergreens or boxwoods to block out noise and neighbors. It looks neat, adds greenery, and doesn't ask for much, just a little shaping now and then. Welcoming dooryard garden. Make your front door stand out with a dooryard garden. This style frames your entry with blooming perennials, evergreen shrubs, and maybe a big planter full of bright annual flowers. Feels like a warm hug every time you walk in. Shade garden with hostas. Got a shady front yard? Don't worry, shade gardens can be beautiful too. Use different kinds of hostas, some trailing vinca as ground cover, and maybe even a small fountain. Cool, calm, and super low maintenance. You'll hardly need to do a thing. Rose lovers front walk. If you love roses, this one's for you. Line your walkway with hybrid tea roses, floribundas, or grandiflorous. Add an arbor with climbing roses and a neat boxwood hedge underneath. Smells amazing and looks like a romantic movie, but keep in mind roses need attention and care. Eco-friendly rain garden. Turn rainy spots into something useful with a rain garden. These gardens soak up extra water and feature plants like Joe Pye weed, lobelia, and sweet flag. They help the environment and still look great. A little weeding here and there is all it takes. Simple ornamental grass garden. For a modern and easy front yard, go with ornamental grasses. Fountain grass and miscanthus add texture and movement. Throw in a few flowers for a splash of color, and you've got a clean, stylish look with almost no work. Flower-filled foundation garden. Dress up the base of your home with a foundation garden. Use flowering perennials, evergreen shrubs, and a small sculptural tree for height. Add edging or stepping stones for a neat finish. Makes your house look complete and welcoming year-round. Tiny corner garden. Don't let small spaces go to waste. Even a little corner can bloom with beauty. Use a triangle-shaped bed, sun-loving flowers, and maybe a small picket fence. It's cheerful, colorful, and perfect for narrow or tight spaces. So there you have it. 10 beautiful front yard garden ideas, each with its own charm and maintenance level. Whether you're looking for something simple or something bold, there's a garden here for you. Which one would you try in your front yard? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss home design tips from Decor Insider. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.